my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. One of my best girlfriends lives on the opposite side of the country from me. While I live on the west coast, she lives in Newfoundland. They have a lot of traditional recipes there, and she shared one of them with me. Of course, I had to put my own little touch on it. So here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my version of Chocolate Rum Snowballs. I'm sure they are fantastic without the rum, but with the added ingredient, they are amazingly fabulous. They are the perfect sweet treat for the holiday season. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large bowl, we'll add rolled oats, 1 cup of coconut flakes, and ground sea salt. We'll stir the ingredients until well blended and set aside. In a large saucepan over medium-high heat, we'll add butter, 1/2 cup of milk, some granulated sugar, a good quality of dark cocoa powder such as the one I'm using here, and 1 large egg. We'll whisk our ingredients until very well mixed and bring the mixture to a boil. As soon as it starts boiling, we'll stir vigorously for 30 seconds and then remove from the heat. So now we'll add a couple more ingredients, which are rum and pure vanilla extract. We'll combine them well before pouring it into the rolled oat mixture. Of course, we'll stir everything together until combined. When it's done, we'll place a plastic wrap on top, making sure it touches the surface, and transfer to the fridge for 2 hours. Meanwhile, we'll add the remaining cup of coconut flakes to the bowl of a food processor, and we'll process until the flakes get finer. We want something similar to this, like snowflakes. See? Just like this. Then we'll transfer it to a pie plate and set aside. Alright, so a couple hours later, and we're ready to roll. Using a melon baller or a small ice cream scoop, we'll take about 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoons and simply roll it. I find it works better when my hands are wet. Then we'll dip it in the fine coconut flakes until coated before placing it to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. When we're done rolling and dipping, we'll transfer our snowballs to the fridge for at least 1 hour. And my friends, this is our chocolate rum snowballs. These are such an amazing sweet treat. Very easy to make. This is a delicious recipe to serve over the holidays. Indulge yourself by trying these delightful snowballs. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!